Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a very simple weeknight recipe. It's called spaghetti and meatballs. In a traditional spaghetti and meatball recipe, it takes a very long time. The meatballs are made separately out of ground meat and the spaghetti is cooked separately and brought together. But here I'm gonna use frozen meatballs that are pre-made and spaghetti and dump everything into one single pot, and I'll be using a pre-made marinara sauce as well. One of my favorite things about this recipe is it can be made under an hour. Kids love it. Even the picky eaters don't complain and they finish their plates. So this is my go-to recipes on weeknights. So here are my ingredients. This is my spaghetti basket. I love to organize. I love to put things that go together, my spaghetti and marinara sauce. When you go to regular department stores like Walmart, Target or H-E-B, you will find a lot of variety of marinara sauces. Don't be scared, try to experiment. I love to get different sauces and put them together. The recipe remains the same, the timing remains the same, it's just the taste is different every time you change the base sauce. Here is my regular spaghetti. This is whole grain spaghetti and this is angel hair pasta. And here I have 3 different marinara sauces. This is garlic lovers pasta sauce, and here is the regular chunky tomato garlic onion sauce, and this is my favorite spicy marinara sauce. In today's recipe I want to use the regular tomato garlic onion sauce and I'll be using the angel hair pasta. And here I have frozen turkey meatballs. You can get any sort of meatballs. I like turkey meatballs. I found these meatballs in Walmart. There are different type of meatballs. There is Beyond Meat, veggie meatballs. You can try any of those. And if you want to skip meatballs altogether, you could do that and the recipe remains the same. I'll be using half an onion, 5 to 6 garlic pods, and 4 green chilies for spice. If you don't like spice, you can skip all of this together. And I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I'll be using around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So first let me turn on saute mode. While the inner pot is heating up, I'm gonna quickly cut my onions, garlic and green chilies. If you don't have these green chilies, you can use jalapenos as well. Just slice them. You don't have to cut them into smaller pieces. So I'm using a red onion for this dish. You can use an yellow or white onion as well. This is a slightly bigger size onion, so I'm gonna use only half of this. I'll be dicing these into small size. If you don't have time, you can totally skip the garlic and onions, but they really increase the taste and flavor and aroma of the dish, so I highly recommend it. It takes just 2 minutes. While your inner pot is heating up, you can cut your vegetables. So looks like the inner pot is hot. Now I'm gonna add olive oil into this. And just for the taste, I'm gonna add this butter. And while that is heating up, I'm gonna peel my garlic. So the garlic is ready and the inner pot is hot. So I'm gonna first add onions and green chilies and then add the garlic to it. So now I'm gonna add onions and green chili. I'll just let it saute for around a minute. Add garlic into this. Once the onion starts to caramelize, you see that brown color. That's your cue to add the meatballs. I'm gonna dump the meatballs into the inner pot. There is no need to cook them. Just make sure they are evenly spread. Half the pasta, and here is the trick. Break it into half and spread it. And do the same with the rest of it. Break it into half and scatter it like a file. This is a 6-quart instant pot, so I am able to fit all of this. So Open up your marinara bottle and fill it in the middle. Make sure you're filling it in the middle, like this, on top of that pasta that you just placed. And next, you take this bottle, fill this bottle with water, and there is a trick to it, and this is very crucial to not get burn sign. What you do is fill it with water and pour it to the sides only. And take another half. That's good. And pour the water again. So you notice the marinara sauce is on the top. There's the spaghetti and there is water in the bottom so that it builds pressure. Now close your lid, turn off saute mode, turn on pressure cook and set it to 10 minutes and make sure the whistle is in sealing mode. One of my favorite side dishes for pasta is garlic bread. Stew is a frozen thing. I'm just gonna heat it up. It's really quick. So turn on the stove and wait for the pan to heat up. Once the pan is hot, place your garlic bread. It takes around 3 minutes, 1.5 minutes each side. It already has butter and garlic to it, so you don't have to add any oil or butter. So this is my favorite brand, New York Bakery, and this is a Texas toast. In Texas toast, the slices are a bit thicker. So my garlic bread is done. I'm gonna use this to make a simple Caesar salad. This is a simple romaine lettuce. So I am gonna wash this first. So wash it thoroughly. Chop your lettuce is to cut at the stem, and this is trash. And now just hold this together. Do very thin slices. So dump all of this in a bowl. So this is a Caesar salad. So I'm gonna use the Caesar salad dressing. Just add some on top of your lettuce. So that is it. My Caesar salad is done. So I've let the pressure release naturally for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to do a quick release. Don't ever do a quick release right away. For pastas and liquids, it's recommended to do a natural pressure release for a while and then you could go for a quick release because they have a lot of froth. So here it is. And all you have to do is use the tongs to gently mix this. So that's it. Your spaghetti and meatballs, garlic bread, and the salad is ready in under an hour. So let me taste this. The salad is so fresh. The Caesar salad dressing is my favorite. It's very simple and tasty. The salad is so crunchy and the croutons enhances the taste. The meatball is cooked perfectly. It's so easy to cut it out. It's yummy. And the spiciness too, I think because of the green chilies, it's of right spice. And the spaghetti is cooked well. The meatballs are cooked well. Let me taste that garlic bread. Perfect. So that's it. A simple weeknight meal is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do give it a try and please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you all in our next video. Bye. My favorite side dishes for pasta is garlic bread. Bread.
బెడ్ కూడా గాలితో చేస్తే బాగానే ఉంటుంది. నిద్ర నవ్వుకుంటూ పడుతుంది
సైడ్కి ఆకలేసినప్పుడు.
రిజిస్టర్డ్ ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇటాలియన్స్ వచ్చి మనం ముద్దు పెట్టుకుంటాం. ఇంత జీనియస్ ఐడియా ఎవరికి రాలేదండి.